Hello, everyone. Welcome back to IELTS with Kashif, the channel where we make English learning simple and enjoyable. I'm Aisha.
And I'm Kashif. Hi, Aisha. I'm feeling fantastic today. The sun is out and I'm ready to learn. How about you?
I'm beyond excited, Kashif. Today's topic is a game changer. We're discussing how to literally train your brain to speak English naturally.
Train my brain? Workout? That sounds intense.
Not at all. It's actually easy and fun. But before we dive in, a quick reminder to our listeners. If you enjoy our content, please hit that like button and subscribe. Your support helps us create more for you.
Definitely. Share it with your friends too. Okay, Aisha, I'm ready. My brain is waiting.
The problem. The translation trap. So, Kashif, when you speak English, what happens inside your head?
Honestly, I think in my native language first, translate it into English, and then speak. It's exhausting and slow.
Exactly. That's the translation trap. It creates a delay. Our goal today is to help you skip that step and think directly in English.
Sounds like a superpower. How do we start?
Tip 1. Start small. The labeling method. We start very small. Don't try to think of complex essays. Just focus on tiny, everyday sentences.
Like just saying pen?
Better than that. Use a mini sentence. Instead of just pen, think, this is my blue pen, or I have a pen.
Oh, I see. So when I wake up, instead of translating mujhe bhook lagi hai, I should just think, I am hungry.
Perfect. Or the coffee is hot. Or I am brushing my teeth. You are connecting the English language directly to your actions, not your mother tongue.
I love this. I am handsome. I see my face in the mirror. It feels natural.
Tip 2. The power of input. Feed your brain.
Now, for the brain to produce English, it needs to eat English. That's input. You mean listening?
Exactly. Listen to easy English, podcasts like ours, simple songs or stories. When you hear the rhythm and patterns repeatedly, your brain starts to mimic them.
So if I listen to pop songs where they repeat phrases, my brain grabs those patterns?
Yes, and don't forget visual input. Watch videos about things you already love. If you like cooking or football, watch English creators in those niches.
That's smart, because I already know how to kick a ball or fry an egg. I can easily connect the English words to those familiar actions. It's not boring study time anymore. It's hobby time.
Tip 3. Output. Talk to the mirror. The final piece of the puzzle is output. You have to get the English out of your head.
But Aisha, what if I'm alone? I don't have anyone to practice with.
Talk to yourself. People might think you're a bit crazy, but it works. Describe your room, your day, or your plans while you're in the shower or driving.
Let me try. I am sitting in my room. The walls are white. My laptop is black. Hey, my brain is actually finding the words faster.
Precisely. You're building a bridge between your thoughts and your voice. No partner needed to start. The reality check. Consistency.
This is great advice, but will I be fluent by tomorrow morning?
I wish. No, Kashif, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient with your brain. Just 10 to 15 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week.
So, small steps and no pressure?
Exactly. And don't fear mistakes. Every time you say I is happy and then correct it to I am happy, your brain gets stronger. Conclusion and homework. My English brain feels like it's growing already. Thank you, Aisha. You're doing amazing. To our viewers, we want to hear from you. What is your favorite way to practice English? Do you sing? Talk to your cat? Let us know in the comments.
We read every single one.
Thanks for joining us today. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.